So you want to go after enterprise type companies, being software or larger businesses that aren't necessarily a customer facing business. This is going to use the exact same structure in the interface that we did over in the small businesses portion with very minimal subtle differences. So we'll start here by specifying the location that we want to target. And if you're going countrywide, you can punch that in. Or if you wanted to do a specific state or city, we could do that as well. And as mentioned in our other videos, we give you the ability to target the radius around a city. The reason for that is that the actual service area of a city is better defined by a radius, generally speaking, than the actual defined city limits. So what is often done by our users is they'll zoom right in and go, okay, here's what we want to do. We want to get more of Baldwin out here because that's generally going to be serviced by many of the same companies. So let's expand that out to 25 miles and click next. Then you've got industries. Now we've talked about how we're going to likely be using Google Maps in our other videos to find these businesses. In this case, it's not so often how we're going to build that list. We might go to another place on the web, such as Crunchbase or Justia or LinkedIn or any of these many online directories that list different types of businesses, depending on the specialty your business is interested in finding leads for. So all you're going to do is specify the industry. I don't want you to overthink this part. Just put it in very simple terms. So you could put software here, or you could put consulting firm like this, or you could put anything that's as specific as you want it to be. So perhaps it is auto manufacturing like this. And you can have multiple industries. As you can see, we've done that here. I recommend specifying one industry per list. That way the list you get back is nice and clean and precise. And if you do have any targeting that you need to adjust afterwards, you can look and just say, oh, I just want to tweak this one thing next time to get more of this type of manufacturer in the next list. Last but not least, you've got your key decision makers section, which gives you some very simplified options because there's no end of the variation job titles people are taking and applying to their roles today. So rather than have you come down here and specify all of them, which is very rarely going to be the best method, simply come up here and select owners and founders and directors and executives. This is going to cover obviously our top founding team of the business and also the top management executive team. So we're looking at executives such as the CEO or CTO, et cetera. And we work from the top decision maker level down. It's very rare that we branch out unless perhaps in the hotel industry, you might see a general manager because they are considered to be almost the CEO of that hotel, for example. Those are the only exceptions we make because we understand that for you to generate leads, you need that top level decision maker. So that's all there is to this. The next step you're going to take is to click filter or deliver, and you'll see that in the next video after you click next.